Alright, oh wow, quick sell-off at open now. Yep. Look for us to break and hold these lows right here, guys. There's the break. If you didn't get in already, I know this would have been a pre-market entry, but with futures you're able to get in before market opens. It would have been a great entry over here because it was creating lower high, another lower high. Got a quick, strong sell-off. Let's see if we hold below here to break the range, retest the range just like I go over, and then go lower. I did want to mark out on, let's see. NASDAQ had a 2-hour supply zone from like 2 years ago over here. Let me make sure. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, everybody. Hope you're all doing well. Oh, I do have my camera on from the webinar. All right, we got YM at a key level as well. Actually got Apple strong, Tesla strong. These stocks are holding up strong, guys. This could have been a nice quick bear trap in the morning. Quick liquidity grab. All right, let's see if we got any. You're good, you're good. I was just gonna say, let's see if we got any zones available right now that we may have missed pre-market. Looks like we might have something here, but I did mark this zone. What was that? I believe that was a 4-hour. Yeah. Bro, that's still going? That's crazy. Send a screenshot to the Discord. I'll show it on the YouTube. That's crazy. That's cool. Alright, guys, what I'm looking for today, I'm looking for us to break below, and I want this 440875. This is my weekly play. This is what I'm looking for this week. I want a play to the bulls. I want a bullish move off of this key level, off of this demand zone. And the reason for that is because when I zoom out, we've been bullish. When I zoom out again, we've been bullish. Zoom out again, bullish. Tesla's flying. All these equities are doing well. It's hard for me to stay bearish. I'd even maybe consider bullish if we broke above this key level and retested it. Because now, remember, this is a key level for a reason. At some point, it was a support or resistance. Let's see, 4-4. 4-4-4-4. 4-4-8. Yeah, so you see how this was at some point the top of a range. So this could be a area of interest right here. If we extend it to the left, we also see that it held up as support. So these two key levels, although very close, they do hold value. Because you see it was the bottom of this, then it was the bottom of this. So this is a strong area where we've consolidated in the past, guys. So you don't want to get caught up in that consolidation again. If you do, then trade the range. If you got to take trades, trade the range. Sell over here, buy over here. But let's see. Cliff, I like the fan lines. Very cool. What else we got? We could pull up some equities. Hey, that's nice, man. YM off this key level right here. This was where the 6-hour supply started. So once those supply zones and levels start working as demand, that's when we start to look and go long there. So let's see if it holds here. Equities, again, very strong today right now. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look. Ain't that something? Ain't that something? That's so crazy. Now my friend's sending me news about Nvidia. Nvidia PT raised from 472 to 500. We usually get some volatility once they get targets raised. Reiterate buy following management meetings at Jefferies. Analysis comments. Jeff hosted Nvidia CFO at the NASDAQ conference. Nvidia highlighted its improved visibility from the diversity of customer interest around generated AI. Of course, guys. I mean, what a technology to have. AI, GPT, all these things that now make coding. Anybody could code now? Like what? Writing. Anybody could be a writer now? It's mind blowing. It's really crazy. Yep, yep. Oh, is my volume working? I gotta make sure my volume's working. YouTube, could you guys hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Testing 1 2 1 2. I just want to make sure you guys could hear me because I had a problem last time. All right, very good. Am I on Discord? That might have been on Discord though. Guys, here's Apple some strength. Guys, this was an all-time high key level. Obviously, we broke it and created a new all-time high, so we'll make a new key level for that. But we're going to change that key level to just be a regular key level instead of any ATH or anything like that. So, all-time high. Make that blue. Let's see. Damn, look at NASDAQ go. That's crazy. Sorry. That's quite the trap. And remember, guys, when we understand the market, we could also look back and know, well, is this going to be a bull trap now? Are we going to continue trend? Is now the time to buy and hold for a big move up? Not yet. There's no confirmation to that yet. We're still between these two key levels, which tells us we're still in this range area. So sure, hypothetically, you could get long here, right, and want to target the top of the range. But you really have to think now, you got to consider this is a lower high, this is a lower high, this is a lower high. It would have to break this lower high and this lower high to get to this key level. And at that point, sure, we might be trending. But that's a lot of resistance. That's a lot of market structure going the other direction. It even has lower lows, lower low, lower low. Oh, come on. Lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. It had this little trend right here. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high. But if you look right to the left, it's not really making higher highs. This is just a choppy trend up right before a big drop down. I do think we chop for a little bit today. I want us to break either above this key level or below and to hold over here, the 44.33. That's what I'll be looking for. That and NASDAQ is... I don't even know. Let's look at some equities. Let's get some equity trades going. Looking good on Tesla. Nice, nice. Yeah, Tesla's looking strong. Oh, the dog's barking. That means the market's gonna move, guys. Or somebody's walking across the street. Alright, Tesla coming up key level. Yeah. Tesla coming up to a key level. Let's check out Tesla on the hourly. Let's go check out this key level in the past. Is 26635. Look at how strong this key level is, guys. Let's extend it to the left real quick. We have support, 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 support. 4 touches of support on this key level. Now we're below it, and now we're going to be using it as potentially a resistance area. This key level right here is very strong for Tesla. Let me post that. Get rid of some of these studies a little bit. Nope. Sure. Oh, volume. Get out of here, volume. Alright, okay, I know what I'm gonna do. Give me a second and a half, guys. I am going to post a screenshot. Tesla. A good example of a key level that worked in the past and now potentially will work right now. Show you guys what I'm doing. Tesla, go to the 1 hour. 1 hour. And this chart, I'll bring it down over here so we could see that key level. Where are we at? 266. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. The question we just started that tab too, guys. Don't forget we got a questions tab now. Got any questions? Just drop it right in there, and we got you. If it's directed towards a specific member, though, I will say make sure you just just at them so they know, because we aren't checking it constantly. We do check it once it got that little white notification next to it. But if you want to at us, just so we do get that notification, we got you. Here we go. Oh, come on now. The disrespect. Alright, so here's a great key level on Tesla, guys. Oh, you hear that growl? I wonder if you guys don't, I don't think Discord picks it up, but I think YouTube might be picking it up. It's really fun. Alright, here's a great key level on Tesla. 26635. Key area. Nah, it doesn't say Discord's picking it up. That's funny. Mine or yours? Nah, I hear you fine. Oh, maybe that's why my dog's barking. My Oh yeah. If on Discord or are you watching the YouTube too? No, that's okay. I was just curious because it's different settings for both. If y- Yeah, I was gonna say if you click Jeremy's name, there should be like a volume thing. You could bring his volume higher if you want, or vice versa. You could click mine and bring mine lower if you want. But I don't know why you do that. I'm All right, here is this. I gotta sneeze. Oh man. Oh good. I said I gotta sneeze, so now I can't sneeze. I did it. I I broke the sneeze, guys. I broke the third wall of sneezing. All right, so there's that. Pop that Gonzo. So, all right, let's take a look at the relative strength today, guys. Bum bum bum. Gonna be right over here. Hmm. All right, relative strength. Let's see. Planter PLTR. What's that doing right now? Up 50 cents today, 3%. Tesla's the strongest of the large cap equities. We're looking at Tesla, Nvidia, and Amazon. On the weaker side, we got BA is down almost 2% today, nearly $3.50. JPM's bearish. Banks are a good thing to note when trading ES and NQ. Got to watch the banks. Although NQ more, you got to watch the tech. Microsoft. Everything's sort of weak today. There's not much relative strength or weakness in the market. Let's. I guess we'll see what Planter's doing. Let's throw this on two, and Planter. No. Yeah, look at Planter. Let's check out the 5 minute real quick. Oh wow, Planter 5 minute just like blowing up. Too too big to be a penny stock, too little to be a large cap. That's cool. Yes, Planter might run guys for a little bit. I know it does have options on it as well. What else are we looking at? Tesla. What's Tesla doing? Tesla's at that key level. Let's see if we could break it and hold it. Tesla has a rally, a base, and now a potential rally if we do break through it. I want to see how our level 2 and time and sales are looking. Check out the level 2. See how heavy those orders are. Ba, ba, da, da. What happened? 285? As a target? Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah. If it breaks this key. Wait, the descending. Hold up. Let's see. You mind sending a screenshot? Look how bullish the weekly charts look. That's crazy. Gonna update some zones. That's crazy. Having some trouble right here at this key level. Tesla struggling in this key area right here. Nvidia also weak, but guys, gotta remember all these wicks to the bottom too. Sellers keep trying to come in, buyers keep saying no, no, no. Gotta let it close. Let it close to confirm, and then if it's confirming the move, then waiting for one candle to close won't hurt your position. You know what I'm saying? But it will if you get in too soon and don't let it close and it goes the opposite direction. Come on, Tesla, break that. If Tesla breaks that with strength, yeah, definitely big ass stay for Tesla. Guys, think retail right now is looking at this right here on Nvidia and saying, oh, that's a big bearish candle. We're going to keep selling off. Let's see if we wick it right here. Yeah, I haven't traded options in a while. Looking at equities really makes me want to trade options on equities. Yeah, like, cause you know what it is? It's exactly right now. This is exactly what I'm talking about. When I say the market adjusts and we have to adjust to the market, sometimes ES will be giving us the best moves, and sometimes we'll be getting the best moves from equities. If we're ranging on ES and NQ, look for equities. That's it. That's it. Apple, let's see. I want to see if Apple had a 15-minute supply zone right here. It did, but it broke it. So let's see if it had a 30-minute. Nope. 45? Not really. And 1 hour. Not too much. Oh, you know what I gotta turn the show extended hours off. Sort of an hourly right there, guys, on Apple. Damn Tesla. Tesla's a tough read right there, guys. Key levels. Don't want to be taking breakouts if it's not even breaking out yet. If it's not holding the breakout. Lots of stuff looking a little weak right now. Lots of important stuff looking weak. Microsoft. What's Amazon? I gotta get Amazon up here. Love Amazon back up in the 120s, by the way. Last time I was trading options, Amazon was in like the 90s, and it was like so boring. It was such a drag. It was in the 80s at some point, wasn't it? Like 86? Yeah, I was like, bro, this is not moving. So yeah, it was 81.30. Yeah. Nvidia Sorry. I think the video goes lower. Target on Nvidia for shorts, guys, would be key level 42831. So we're looking at about a $2 move if we continue lower. And that's just the first target. We could break it and stay weak today. Yep. VIX is trying to push higher. That's weak. Market is weak right now, which means I do think that Nvidia bear play might work out. But we got to see, guys. Got a weak market means not much follow through. We need a strong selling market for trend, or just a strong market in general for trend. Yep. Tesla really wants to break that 26635 key level, but it couldn't close above it on the 5-minute. The weighted index on those top 5 stocks, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, Google, is going lower. I do want to see, Amazon, big sell-off. Strong move on Amazon. See if it could come down to VWAP. I think if Tesla starts failing, it's going to bring the market down with it. Everything else looks weak. I gotta find some key levels and some supply and demand though. Cause I want to know where the targets are. I want to know where we're bouncing. What's up? 2 hour, nice. Gotta. Guys, we got a really clean 2-hour zone on 2-hour demand on Microsoft right here. 336.85. And the reason I say it's really clean, and I get this question a lot, is what is an impulse move? What is continuation? Continuation is just that. It's continuation. It's when the market has a move. An impulse move is the first move, and continuation, follow through, is the after move. So if this had one big impulse move up, and then it chopped and came lower, this would be a weak zone. We could still maybe bounce off it momentarily, but it's a weak zone. But because this zone had the nice basing, the rejection at the bottom, impulse, and follow through. I mean, this was a $13 move on Microsoft, so that's a strong move. That's almost, it was a good move. So that's a strong zone. I'll be looking for longs on Microsoft right in there. Longs or calls. All right, there's Amazon's at VWAP coming down to key level 12561 as well. Let's see if Nvidia gets that push lower to that key level too. What is ESNQ doing? All right, guys, be careful on Nvidia. It closed with not much of a wick on the bottom. Could get a pullback on this candle before continuing lower. If we're looking at Tesla, guys, we created a lower, a higher low right here if we hold. If we fail this 26473 level, then we'll be making new lower lows compared to this right here. Let's see, guys. Let's see. All right. Let's see if we were bear trapping it or if we're bull trapping it. Sorry. I think we get a little pullback on Apple and then we continue lower. Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm just grabbing my water. All right. All right, all right, all right. Check out Apple, guys. So some people might be thinking we're reversing here. I would personally wait for it to close because what we could see on Apple is a drop, a basing, a green basing, and then a drop of continuation. So that's something I'm going to be keeping an eye for. We have about, what time is it? I have no clock on my screen and that's annoying. 10:02. We got 3 minutes left on this 5 minute. So remember, guys, the first minute or two of a 5 minute candle, a lot of times is a fake out. You know, right, Jeremy? Right? I mean, yep, big fake outs. Yep, yep. Look at this Tesla again getting weak, showing resistance at this key level, at this resistance level. Oh, I gotta get. Oh. Yeah, look at that. ES again dropped below that. Let's see if it holds. Hold or fold? Hold or fold? Let's see. How are you guys all doing today? You guys all have a good weekend? Happy Father's Day to everybody who celebrated. I hope you all had a good weekend. Happy holidays too. What's going on, Victoria? We missed you guys. Ah. What about you guys? Anybody else? What do you guys do this weekend? Anybody got a fun story? Ricardo? Ricardo, I know Ricardo is busy working. Busy working on partying. He's a party animal. I'm just kidding. Nice, nice. No, I'm just kidding with Ricardo. But Mark from TO, how about you? M, hello M. John, keep trying. Hello, hello everybody. Welcome, welcome. Hood Netty, welcome. Welcome to, what was that, June 19th? That was yesterday. Welcome to our community. Got any questions, let us know. Jim, hello to you too. Just a heads up, Jim, if you are trying to talk, it's set to push to talk for members. So if you go into the settings on your Discord and you scroll down to voice and audio, you gotta switch it from input mode from voice activity to push to talk. And then it'll have you assign a button and then you hold that button to talk. That way nobody could have a hot mic or anything. Yeah, what's Tesla? Tesla, drop, base, drop. But this isn't much of a drop, guys. If I'm looking for a drop, base, and a drop, I want a strong drop, a basing candle just like this candle, and then a drop to continue. This, in my opinion, right now looks more like a rounding bottom. But again, this key level right here, I don't know, guys. It's definitely tough. A lot of bulls in this market, too. I think we just chop lower on ES. I don't know. I think we have to come back to this demand zone because of the imbalance that was created from such a strong move up so we could get those unfilled orders, but I don't think we're going to have a smooth drop. I think we're going to have a choppy drop. Didn't we get house? Let's see. We got some reports today, didn't we? U.S. housing starts numbers, actual 1.631 million, forecast 1.4 million, previous 1.4. Building permits. Oh, that's just like how many houses were started. What's NASDAQ doing right now? Oh, NASDAQ RB DBD guys, drop base drop potentially, maybe. Let's see. We had a drop, then we had a basing that came back and retested VWAP, and now we'll see if we drop and continue. We have about 2 minutes on this 5 minute candle. We gotta see. We gotta see. Might get one impulse move, bring everything lower. Yo, morning, Ricardo. What's going on? How was your weekend? It's good, good. Busy. I made some videos for you guys, so that was fun. Had the webinar Saturday. Made some videos Sunday. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. Appreciate you guys for checking those out and dropping likes. Means a lot to me. Nice. Very weak market, guys. I want to check how the volume's doing today. I bet the volume's probably shot. I'm going to use my handy dandy volume cloud, my favorite script. Check out the 15 minute, compare that. Could even turn off extended hours so I could really see what's up. And it looks like we are not doing good volume-wise. Low volume, low volatility, very choppy. Hey, good morning, John and YouTube. How's it going? Welcome, welcome. Let's see if we engulf this candle right here and go higher to stay in this range. Or the question is, because of how choppy we are, do we make this choppy range, break that range, chop again, come back up here, chop again, come back down here? Today, guys, is a very, very difficult market. We're getting little 1, 2, 3 point ranges. This is, I mean, if we're looking at the past few days when we were getting trends, we were getting 30, 40 point moves on these trends. Easy. So, this is something that you would want to ask yourself. Do I have to trade every day? No. Do I want to trade every day? Hell yeah. Everybody does. It's fun. Trading is fun, guys. When you can make something fun, it's easier to learn, too. So, yeah, oh no, I was saying how when you look at trend days, they like the previous trend days we've been having, you were getting like really good points, really good moves out of this. Like let's say you got in around here, you were getting 20 points. If you got in for this move anywhere over here, you were getting again another 20 points. So for these big 20-point moves versus these little 5-point, 2-point ranges, you don't want to be getting in trades over here because that's when you start revenge trading and you start hitting that reverse button. And then the next thing you know, all the gains you got from that 20-point move are gone because of this 2-point move range. And it's just, you gotta, that's where market context comes in, guys. We don't have to trade every day. Every day is not tradable. That's important. Good for you. Good for you. Very good. Good stuff, Victoria. Good stuff. Let me see. Hey, what's going on? Yeah, you're good. Welcome, welcome. Who was that? Was that Jim? Hey. Hey, at least you can laugh about it. Hey, you figured it out pretty quickly. That's all right. All right, let's see. So again, guys, look at all these wicks we're getting on Tesla. Wick, 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 wick. That's just liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. So why? But you also got to ask, are sellers really here? We're holding up a wall and we can't break it because there's low volume? Or is the volume building up to break it to go higher? Because every time we retest this level, liquidity is drawn from it. So the more we test it, the more liquidity we take from it. But it's still a strong level, and we don't want to take those until we do break them. Um, nice, nice. Yeah, there we go. Cool beans. Keep the chat popping. Check out, this was a 2-hour supply that we did use, but we used this at 3 in the morning. So, you know, for you early birds, not for you people in different time zones, though. 3 in the morning is what, midnight for people in Cali? So, you guys, if you're up late trading at night, you could check your supply and demand zones. Let's see, this was a 2-hour. And again, guys, that's what's so great about not only futures, but supply and demand, is that futures gives you the ability to trade almost whenever. You could set your alerts for your zones. Like, I could set an alert right, if I wasn't streaming, I could set an alert right here. Create alert, single, on, for, oh wait, I'm not doing this on the right screen, I'm sharing. Here we go. I could set alert at the 4-hour, right? Because let's say if we're in the middle of nothing, I don't want to take any trades, right? If we're in the middle of nowhere, I'm not taking any trades. I want long right over here, whether that long happens today or tomorrow or the next day. So I'll add my alert, create alert, single, price is at or below, create, and then I can just walk away and be done for the day. No stress. No stress. Just wait. There we go. Some slow moves down. Again, guys, we still got to look at the size of these candles. I mean, these range from, these are just such small ranges. Like 5-point max candles. Exactly. Gotta look at the size of the bodies, guys. 1.5, 0.25, 2.75. Don't really look at the wicks when you're measuring the ranges of them because that's a little unrealistic in my opinion. Because like then you could look at this and be like, oh well, right here you got a 6.25 point range. But like, are you really gonna buy the exact bottom and sell the exact top? Absolutely not. Plus, you know the difference between bid and ask and how you fill there. So really look at the bodies. Look at the way that the price is moving. Price is moving very choppy lower. Let's take a look at our equities, see what Tesla's doing at that key level, see if it did end up rejecting it. Where are equities? There we go. Yep. Yep, look at that, guys. Tesla pushing lower. Oh, and NVIDIA, guys, hit our key level, hit our target, hit our first target, 42831. That was a good move. It didn't happen right away, but it did happen. And look at that, it wicked right off of our target. That was a great, great target. Oh, Kevin, why'd you pick that target? I'm glad you guys asked. So, let me make this chart bigger. I will zoom out and I will show you. So the first thing I did was I looked left and I saw there was this area right here, right? And I saw we had this gap. I saw we wicked lower and we actually wicked right here. Said, okay, that's interesting. This was an area that we wicked. We created this liquidity. We grabbed some. We pushed higher. Let me place a key level. I also looked left from here and saw this was a strong area of consolidation. So with that being said, I marked this as a key level, even with just these two confirmations. And then I have my target and I hit the target. I do think we go lower. The next key level I would target would probably be around... let's see. Let's check out the 15-minute, guys. Get a cleaner look of things. You know, I mean, if we're looking for a red basing and a rally and follow through, this is not it. We have a red basing here and a gap up, and then we have a red candle and follow through. This is not a good demand zone. Did it work out? Yeah, if you swung trade, sure. But it's not the cleanest, it's not the most ideal zone. So that's key level, that was first target. I guess here we go. This would have been your 15-minute demand on NVIDIA. So guys, I know I always say I don't really do the 15-minute supply and demand, but that's really for ES and futures and stuff. Because equities are only open so many hours a day, only 6.5 compared to futures, which are open for 23 hours, there's only so much time to work with. So you might find a 15-minute zone near consolidation before we had a good move or something like that, instead of a 2 or 3 hour, because a 3 hour, you're only going to get 2 or 3 of those candles in a 6.5 hour period, and that third candle is only going to be a 30-minute candle if you're looking at a 3 hour. So it's definitely something to think of and something to consider when you are trading equities, is to check the 15-minute and 30-minute, and I'd say hourly. Those are probably the times I use for equities that work best for me. The 195 is a good one as well, because that's going to give you 2 candles for the day. We'll do a nice. Give me one sec. 195, we're going to throw that right there, make that green. Here is the fan Jeremy was talking about. Are you the fan's biggest fan? You're its biggest fan. Ha ha ha. Yep. Guys, here's another great key level. If we're looking for an intraday key level on Tesla right now, what we would see is we would see this wick here, this wick here. This means we were stopped here, right? We were resistant here. Price couldn't go higher. We resisted it again. We broke it. And now let's see if we hold it. We're breaking it lower again. But remember, just because we break it lower for a moment doesn't mean we're going to hold it lower. We could range. We got low volume. We got to see. Got to see how a trade plays out. Obviously, bears are in control today, but patience is key. Like an intraday key level, like based off of the smaller time frame. Like right now, I'm getting this key level off of the 5 minute, and usually I'll get my key levels off of the hourly, 2 hour, or higher. So this would be an intraday key level because it's probably not that significant on the hourly. Like, look, if you look at the hourly, maybe sure it gave you two little touches, but the rejections on the hourly were nothing, so it's not really that relevant. So an intraday key level, previous day key level, whatever you want to call it. For sure. We're back in it. Let's see. I'm liking the hourly on Tesla right here, guys. If this closes at 10:30, so in about 8 minutes, if we close with a nice body, probably around, I would like around 262.50 for the body to close, 262.50 or 263. Because that long wick and green body will tell me this could be a potential basing before we have a drop. So that could give us a nice trend on Tesla for today to 256. But who knows? I know the daily chart's very bullish on Tesla, so we really got to see. Hey, get it, Ricardo. Good stuff. Oh, with the fans, money fans, shmoney. All right, here comes Microsoft's coming to its daily, not daily, 2 hour demand zone that I marked out earlier. Apple's at key level, Microsoft at demand, Tesla near this key level, Nvidia also trying to make a higher low potentially. While we look bearish, this could be the spot where we reverse. Gotta think to ourselves, would retail be shorting right here? Because we want to go short when retail goes short. We want to go long when no, we want to go long when retail goes short and vice versa because they're wrong 90%. 90% of retail traders are losing money, so why would we want to do what they're doing? Is there enough volume to trade at night for the futures? Yeah, so John, it's not so much is there enough volume to trade at night with futures, it's more if there's volatility in the move because what it is it's other markets moving us. So if we had like let me turn the volume on real quick and let me take this setting off because the cloud off because the volume in futures overnight is normally very 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 low compared to the intraday and daily volume. Like look, this what was that? It could be slow. The only way I would ever take trades, pre-market or anything like that is because it's in a supplier demand zone. That's the only time I've seen an actual move from ES and pre-market is because it was rejecting a supplier demand. Or news. News always moves the market too, but we're not going to get news at 3 in the morning. We might. I hope not. If we get news at 3 in the morning, guys, we better be scared. Alright, let's see. Alright, Microsoft now officially in demand, but that doesn't mean I would go long here because we're just very, very bearish. Microsoft did have a drop base right to VWAP and a drop as well. NQ had that drop base drop off of VWAP as well. That I called that out earlier too. That was around 10 o'clock. ES is just like dropping like a fly. It's dropping like it's hot right now. Volume picked up. We saw that we were going to be bearish, guys. Why did we know we were going to be bearish today? Well, VIX was telling we were bullish. We were bearish all day. And we were just getting weak. And we wanted to target this 4-hour demand zone anyways. Crude oil's dumping too. Yo, my knee hurts. Alright, VIX. Mark, that's a great question. Let me look it up. I always end up looking it up. I'm pretty sure. I think I know the times that certain markets open. I think one market opens at 3. One market open like 3 a.m. One market opens at 6 a.m. p.m. New York Exchange opens at 9:30. Jeremy, do you know what markets open when? Hey Siri, what stock markets open when? Let's see if Siri knows. Nope, it does not know. I'll look it up for you. I'll figure it out. Oh, nice. New York's. Oh wait, I think I got it. London. No, that doesn't sound right. Oh no, that's not Eastern. Give me Eastern. You know what I'll use sometime? Nah. I just Google it. We're really close to this 4-hour demand, guys. Remember, I wanted to go long here. I knew we were gonna sell off. I said it was gonna be a little choppy first, but that's target if you're short. Alright, London Stock Exchange opens at 3. Tokyo opens at 8 p.m. Shanghai opens at 9:30 p.m. and Hong Kong opens at 9:30 p.m. I don't know if these are right. This is a weird source. What Victoria, what do you have? Let's see. But it's not, it's giving us the times, but it's not telling us, like, it just says, like, it's 23 hours. It isn't giving us, like, what market is, oh, wait. Yeah. Gotcha. Yeah, no, definitely. Cool beans. Are you referring to kick? I see that. I see that. I mean, they just signed that one dude for $100 million to play video games on their and to stream with them for 2 years. This guy's getting crazy, crazy. I think it was really 70 million with the chance to go to 100, but still, I mean, 35 million a year to play video games. That's forget trading. And Twitch too. Right. I re- Oh, look at that, guys. We were like, how low was this? Let's see. We were like a few cents away from this 15-minute demand zone on Nvidia. What was the low? Low is 42725. It was 12 cents away from here. So again, that's creating now a lower high. I'm sorry, a higher low, and now another higher low right here. But remember, we've been weak, so we got to see. We did have Microsoft and demand now coming to a key level inside demand. And Q at key level. Apple broke its key level. Gonna try to retest it. Let's keep an eye on Apple, guys. Apple might be the next trade we take where we get the drop, right? We have a nice drop, four dropping candles, a basing, a green basing right here to trap some buyers. People are taking their orders out. People are taking some profits, and then a drop to continue. Cool. Hey, check out Tesla right here, guys. We had that intraday key level I marked out earlier. We came to it, we broke below it, then we came back up and retested it. I think exactly. Look at that. We retested it exactly. 26347. That's the high of this candle right here. See if we go lower from here. Nice, nice. Good stuff. Yo, just a quick note. Since this key level I called out earlier, while we were sitting at this key level on Tesla 26635, saying how we're probably could reverse here. It's a strong key level, strong area of resistance. We got a Oh, the thing doesn't want to show me. Let's see. About a $3-4 move from there. $3-4 move on Tesla. That's an okay move. Not the best, because Tesla could move crazy, but obviously for today's standards, for today itself, that was an okay move. That was the only move that has showed itself today, unless you were swinging a call position. Money, money, money. Money. Alright, let's see Tesla. Tesla. I did want to post some charts to our social media, so just give me one sec. Oh. Guys, ES is close to its 4-hour demand that I wanted to go long near. We did have this drop. We have a basing right here. Let's see if we drop and continue. Again, Tesla also at that key level. Video looking weak. Here's ES in the corner over here for you guys. NASDAQ also drop, base drop. Alright, look at that, guys. Microsoft reacting pretty well off of that key level inside its demand zone. Remember, if you could add things to your confirmation, if you have demand as a confirmation, look for a key level. Look for an area of interest. If you're trading SPY or you're trading ES and you have it in demand, where's NQ? Is NQ also at demand? Is NQ also pushing stronger? Or is it weak? You gotta ask yourself these things, and you gotta stay with the trend, and you gotta get these extra confirmations to get in stronger, higher probability trades. The trend is our friend until the end of the trend, and then there's another trend to be our friend. Do. Yes, key levels. Let's see if NVIDIA gets that drop to that 42713 demand. Apple, a nice push lower off of that drop, base drop. Let's see. Alright, we do have Microsoft trying to come outside of its demand. Now, guys, I don't enter supply and demand as soon as we enter the zone. I wait for it to break above and then come back and retest, because when it retests, it's doing two things. It's grabbing liquidity, and it's creating now a higher low. So that's two other confirmations on top of the third confirmation of us holding that demand zone. So that's a really great trade. That's really something you could take. Plus, when you get in on the pullback, you also know where your stop is because it's at the previous low. So it's really, really good. It's really great to use supply and demand and to use pivots as well. Hmm. NQ at Q level, Microsoft off key level and demand. Those would have been your signs to be careful, along with ES looking weak near its demand. I do think we pull back and go a little lower one more time, but we do have to see. Because also, we got to think, if Microsoft does want that pullback before we go lower, that means ES will also have to pull back and go over. Does it have to? Absolutely not. It's its own stock. But Microsoft is a heavy influence on ES and NQ, so that is something I would look for. Nice, nice. 2 hour supply. Good stuff. Nice, nice. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Tesla broke back into this range over here. And guys, YouTube, if you guys got any comments, questions, anything at all, please let us know. If you got any chart recommendations, let us know. We could post some charts. We could do some charting for you. Anything we could do to help you guys out, holler. I'm just throwing up some key levels and stuff on our social medias. Anybody who doesn't follow them, we have a Discord section where us moderators will post some charts, sometimes some trade plans, sometimes some key levels, some things where we try to teach you guys, like I did a key level on Tesla today. But we post that to our social media for free for you guys. Comes up on our Twitter, our Facebook, Bullishbrs, Bullishbrs. Our Twitter's BULLISHBRS. I will throw that up in the YouTube comments for you guys in the YouTube as well. But the people here in Discord, you guys get it in the main chat too if you guys want it. I'm just marking out those key levels and posting ES chart right now to our social media. I wonder if there's a way to get it so when we post in that pic to all social media, it could also post it in the main chat. I think there is. Should be. Cool. Alright guys, look, Apple had that pullback, came back to this key level over here. Let's see if we reject it and go lower. Also looking for Microsoft to pull back a little bit to create a higher low in demand. ES at key level 2. Look at that. To a tick. I think it'll go through it though. Tesla looks like it wants to go higher. Yep. Let's see. Let's see. Alright, Apple rejecting that key level to a penny right now. So let's see if it stays below it. That would be pretty great. Oh, so what I would do on Apple right now is I would put it with the time and sales and stuff, And I would see if we could get a price above that key level. I would see if we print above that key level. Yep, it looks like price is printing. Price is getting there. 95. There's the 95. I want to see one for 96. Once I see a heavy one for 96, I'll know we're probably going to keep pushing through this key level. But until I see that... Oh, there's some 96. Let's see. See if we hold. What's bid and ask doing? Pretty strong both sides right now. Very back and forth here. There we go. I feel bad. One of our members, somebody who just joined, they were having Reggie, so they were commenting in the Discord earlier as a bot. I don't think they were able to figure out how to join. Let me see. No, the bot didn't kick him, but he wasn't able to get in our live stream this morning. No, when you use the bot, you don't see anything. It's really weird. You like only see the chat rooms. Yeah. I see 2 Reggies. Let's see. They should be okay. Let me... Alright, I emailed him back. We'll see what he says. Try to figure that out. Gotta take care of all you. Trade stations emailing me asking when we could start marketing them. When you start paying us. Of course. But right... Like a partnership. Like if we got a nice big partnership where a bank was like, hey, let's help you guys out with X, blah, blah, blah. Here's a contract. Take care of your moderator. So we could be... Because right now we still have a business to run. We're Bullishbrs LLC. We got bills to pay, just like any business. But our business is to provide you guys education. Yeah. Right, right. Oh, somebody had a question in YouTube. ES question, love it. Are we flagging on ES or is it a false break out of the channel and then a false back into the channel? Let's see. I mean, honestly, Daily Bread, in my opinion, it looks like we should be going higher from here. The only thing that is getting to me is that I wanted us to test this 4-hour demand before we go higher, because it is such a strong zone and such a strong area. So I'm thinking we might consolidate here and then push lower. And the thing is now, because we hovered over this demand, when we break this low right here, a lot of retail is going to be chasing lows and chasing puts and chasing shorts because they say, oh, well, we're making new lows. We're going to go lower here. Meanwhile, they're unaware of this 4-hour demand zone, and we might bounce somewhere in here. So they're chasing shorts right where we're about to reverse, whereas we're ready to go long right here. So we're patient, we're ready, we're waiting, guys. Patience. Yep, yep. Let's see. VIX, however, trying to go higher from here. See if I could also make a high of day. Let's do VIX on an inverse chart, because that's fun. For sure. Yep. Yep, yep. Guys, don't forget to hit that like button if you're watching on YouTube. We do appreciate that. Just a little announcement, guys, YouTube wise. We normally go live every day, Monday through Friday. What we're gonna start this week is we're gonna start doing for YouTube and non-paying members is we're only gonna do Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So you do still get us Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But if you are interested in the 5 days and the one-on-one coaching and more advanced courses and stuff, you could just join our membership. Like Jeremy pointed out, we're one of the cheapest there. Not cheapest in the sense of we don't have anything. We actually have a lot more than most of these other places. These other alert yeah, it's we have really great stuff, guys. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday is when we'll be doing the live YouTube that's open for everybody. And then Tuesday, Thursday, we will be doing YouTube sort of on like a private link, but we'll also be in the Discord for you guys in Discord, of course, every day. Yeah, seriously. So I mean, like, if you want to learn to trade and you got money to start trading, don't invest in a stock at first. Invest in yourself. Invest in some education. Gotta get the education, guys. Can't just go in thinking you're gonna start making money. Then you're just gonna go and start losing money. There's thousands and millions and thousands of videos on YouTube that'll tell you the 100% win rate strategy, 90% win rate strategy. Do you have ESMES trading room daily? Yeah, so Daily Bread, we trade ESMES daily. I personally trade futures. I trade ES, but I'll chart ESNQ and I'll also look at the VIX every day. And we do equities as well for anybody interested in some equities. We do a whole lot of stuff. But yeah, futures every day for sure. I post my supply and demand every day on it. All right, let's see, guys. We're getting that pullback on Microsoft. Let's see if we get a wick into demand and another bounce higher. Let's see if we're now trapping the bears. But we got to see, because if we're going off of trend is our friend, we got to remember we've been selling off all day. But if we're going off of these demand zones and knowing we might be trapping people, because we have to trap people in order to catch that liquidity, we might be going higher. This is not an area I would short. This is only an area I would go long. But it's an area where I would keep such a short stop. I probably wouldn't even take a trade in this market. It's too much going against my zones. Like, what do we got? We got ES coming back down. Again, guys, I wanted us to break these lows right here. If we break the lows, retail is tricked into thinking we go lower. People who have their stops right here are stopped out. And then we reverse right after we stop all them out and we grab all that liquidity. That would be a sick liquidity grab to pump us up, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, that'd be really nice. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, I just realized my face is in the way. There we go. let's see. Apple wants to push higher. Let's see if Microsoft can follow suit. Hey y'all, check this out too. Nvidia wicked its lows, its daily lows, into this 15-minute demand again. That's clean, that's clean. 15-minute. No way. No way I labeled the key level Nvidia. What was I doing? Alright, let's see, guys. Let's see. Some funky stuff going on. Let's check out relative strength real quick. What's going on? Relative strength wise. Not much still. Plants are down here. Whoa, plants are reversed. Wow, that's crazy. Look at that. This morning it was relatively strong up here. We were looking at it up here, and then it just, wow, completely dumped. That's cool. BA, why does it do that every time? BA using some key levels I've charted out months ago probably. That just goes to show, guys, how great key levels could be, and if you do plot a strong key level, they will last, and they will work in the future, and you can keep those there. That's the difference between supply and demand. Supply and demand is more fresh zones, fresh charts, so that's why you have to know your support and resistance to trade supply and demand too, so you're able to see where they line up together, and you're able to use them together as a trading strategy. You're able to say, I'll enter here at demand and target support if there's a support, or if there's no support, I'll target supply and know I have a bigger move ahead of me. And it's just things like that that we could add together to give ourselves high probability trades and good setups. Let's see. So BA, what is the strongest right now? Tesla sort of making these lower highs right here. So look, lower high, another lower high. See if we go lower. Jeremy and his butterflies, guys. Alright, let's see. Definitely some weird volume building up here. Nice impulse. Nice impulse move right there. Oh, nope. I typed VIX into the main chat. I meant to type it into TOS. Money, money, money. Pay off. Getting a nice push. Did an interesting push here. Let's check out our time and sales, see what's going on, see if we're printing. Level 2 as well. I wish level 2 would automatically do bid size and ask size right next to each other. I wonder if there's a way to do that in settings. I'm sure there is. Hey, be good, Ricardo. Thank you for tuning in today. Take care. Have a good one. See you tomorrow. Peace. Alright, let's see. Let's check our equities, see if equities, anything else is showing itself. Tesla really just hugging this key level right here. Microsoft, alright, so Microsoft gave us that higher low, guys, right? So we would have entered longs here, or entered calls right here, with our stop at lows, and we would let this ride, and this should be the real move compared to this move. Should be. Nvidia also off the 15-minute demand zone. NQ off of key level, higher low off key level. Let's see, guys. We'll keep the YouTube up for like another 15 minutes, guys. I know we usually like to cut it around 11, but market's moving pretty nicely right now, so we'll try to get one more play in. Right, right. If that's the case, nah. I'm gonna stick around another like 15 minutes or so, and then we'll see. I just want to see Microsoft play out. Yup. Sweet. All right, go Microsoft, go. Yup. I like to look at them as a combined chart sometimes. I'll look at Apple plus Tesla. I mean Apple plus Microsoft, and it'll give you like one chart with both stocks. And that could help gauge the market as well. Cause again, those are like 20, those two alone are 25% of the Nasdaq and like 12% of the ES. Guys, real quick, I just want to mention Microsoft. So obviously, the move I'm looking for is a bullish move on Microsoft. Something I would take account of right now is that the bid is sort of light. Usually, we have a really strong bid when market wants to push higher versus when we have a strong ask, market wants to push lower. So because we were just a very strong, weak bid, it was tough to go long on that. Hence, now we failed. For sure, I got you, I got you, I got you. Let's see. Nice, good stuff. Where'd you learn your measured move? Yeah. Okay. Right. Right. Got you. Gotcha. Whoa. Whoa, big Microsoft order. Sorry. Two huge Microsoft orders. Somebody wants Microsoft to go higher. With somebody with money wants Microsoft to go higher. Right. Right, right. C Trader had a question about his demand zone he drew. He asked if he drew it right for the 30 minute. So C Trader, what I'm looking at there is a 4 hour actually. So you see how we had the 4 hour zone was created? So the 30 minute, we don't really have a 30 minute here. But the 4 hour, we have this basing right here where we have a wick on the bottom and a small red body, and we have a huge impulse move, a big rally right after, and it had continuation too. So this would be a 4 hour zone based off the 4 hour time frame. I'll send a screenshot. Oh yeah, I told him. Yeah. Time is it? Ooh, look at that. Sheesh. What a trap. What a trap. Yeah, I got the dog on my lap now. She's gonna help me move the market, guys. You gonna place any trades? Oh, we used to have a black lab, and he was the same thing. He thought he was a lap dog too. What kind of dog you got? Oh, you got a big dog. You're gonna have to send a picture of that. Picture, please. What's your dog's name? Sirius? Oh, that's cool. Gotcha. Gotcha. I was gonna say I didn't get that for a sec. Oh. They goofed off too much, guys. They didn't take their trading seriously. Oh, why not? Yup. Yeah. Alright, Microsoft holding that key level. Sorry. Nah. Guys, Microsoft, as we saw, so we thought this would, I personally thought this would be the big move on Microsoft because we made that lower high, I mean that higher low in demand after we pulled back. But we pulled back again, and when we came back to this key level over here, we were watching that 33696 level before, and it printed some heavy orders. It had 2,910, 2,910, 2,910. So obviously, I mean, I would assume another 2,910. I'd assume somebody out there, 2,910, is out there with 2,910 as their active trader, buy and sell. Like, let's see. So again, Microsoft, I'd rather be bullish than bearish. Demand's telling me go bullish. For sure, C-Trader, I got you, bro. I'm gonna be wrapping this up in about like 10 minutes or so, guys. Cause I'm hungry. Oh yeah, we get to see the dog. Oh my goodness. That's a big dog, bro. That's like a really big dog. That's the kind of dog my dog would see it while walking on the street, and my dog would think, "Oh, I could take him." My tiny dog would be like, "Oh yeah, I'm barking at that." It's always the little dogs, man. All right, Microsoft again coming to this key area right here, and this is a key area because it's the top of this demand zone. So let's see if we hold. We were getting all those buyers. Let's see if we got any more buyers stepping in. Oh, there's a sell order for that 2,910. Another sell order 2,910. So it sounds like that guy's out of it. I guess he's not really too convinced that Microsoft's gonna go higher. So hard not to be Victor. I know the liquidity. Oh, is he not in here? He's not even in here. Victor was saying in the questions tab, so hard not to be stopped out by liquidity grabs. Yeah, this is Thinkorswim. I'm gonna be using Thinkorswim for now. Yeah, they offer like paper trading. Yeah, they you know what? They Ninja Trader actually offers equities when you connect your Thinkorswim account to them. I didn't know that, but right, I know it's like I was on a meeting with them a couple weeks ago, and they said see us more as a tool to link your brokers to, and less of a broker ourselves. So I guess that's what they're sort of aiming for. All right, here, yeah. What you mean? Hmm. Oh no, they're. You know what? I think. Oh, that's a really good question. I know. I'm pretty sure that they're. What's the word? I'm pretty sure they're regulated, but yeah, it's a really good question. I'm just messaging back this guy talking about how he got stopped out from a impulse move or a liquidity grab. And listen, guys, that happens to all of us. The market, they're liquidity grabs for a reason, you know? Like, look, Microsoft, I was watching this key level for Microsoft to hold. It failed it. And now it wants to go higher. So let's see if maybe we go higher there to this little liquidity grab. But I mean, this is like a 10-cent liquidity grab. I don't know if I would consider that much of a liquidity grab. But regardless, yeah, yeah, really just a pullback, fake out if anything. But yeah, let's see. Oh, that's right. That's right. That's right. Oh man. Blackwell. Black. Just want to make sure I got that name right. Blackwell Global. They're a Forex. They're a global UK regulated, international, all over the place Forex company that we are about to get in a partnership with. If you want, I could reach out to them, try to get something rolling. Okay. Right. No, I hear you. I get it. Cause you know what? At first, you just want to be able to chart and just paper trade in general to get a feel for it. You know, like to understand what's going on. But we'll figure that out. There's got to be ways around it. There's because the U.S. isn't the only place that trades. Trade of 8? Yeah, Trade of 8's a good one. I like Trade of 8. Yeah. Yeah, that's awesome. I love it when we work together. Love it when members help members, guys. That's it. That's it. That's what community is all about. There we go. There we go. We're waiting on it. Microsoft again, another dip into this demand zone. This is tough, guys. This is definitely a tough play. Another 29.10. Another 29.10. I mean, that guy must be sitting over there. I'm going to show you guys what this guy's chart probably looks like right now. This guy's probably got like quantity was 29.10. This guy's just like, all right, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, buy. With the 29.10 just sitting there, like he's not scaling into the position like we say. Sometimes you scale into a position, scale in, scale out. He's just sitting there with 29.10. Like let's do the math. Let's see how much money this guy's putting down for this. Times 336, and we'll fill it at his favorite number, which was 336.96. That guy is going in and out with $980,000 worth of Microsoft. That's crazy. That's crazy. There you go. Oh, here's another one. 29.10. Here's buy market, buy market. Oh, another one. 29.10. He hit buy market again. This is dude, I don't know why I find that so funny. So wait, I'm sorry. He bought it again. Oh, he just sold some. So he just scalped. This guy's scalping with $980,000, guys. We are watching somebody in the tape right here. Oh, another 29.10. Dude, this is insane. Times 2. I want to see times 2 though. 1.9 million. This guy's probably trading with. This is that's insane. That's so crazy. 1610. I guess 10 is like a lucky number for them guys. Yeah, right? Make some calls. 29.10. Alright, he just got out of some more. That's crazy, dude. But you know what? He's getting out in such small moves, but because of he's probably making a few thousand based off of a $1 million order. He's scalping 10,000 if he's lucky. Like, that's crazy. Right, it doesn't go to zero. As much as it, right, Jeremy, that's a great point. As much as it sounds like, is this guy really risking uh $800,000 to make a few thousand? Well, no, he's not risking that. He probably has a stop loss very tight to risk 1,000 or 2,000, right? And again, he's scalping. We see he's in and out. Another 29.10. Oh, here's a bigger one, 3,500. Yep. 2910. Dude, I can't. This is. Oh, but he just took a loss, guys. He just bought 336.98 and sold 336.87. But we don't know if he took a loss because just because it's red doesn't mean it was a sell. Just because it's green doesn't mean it's a buy. With TOS, when you're looking at time and sales, it's only green if it's above the previous price, and it's only red if it's below the previous price. So this could be a sell. This could be a sell. This one could be a buy. We don't really know that for sure. There is sort of a way to look at it, and you can put the bid and the ask there, and if you put bid and ask there, you'll be able to see, well, did they buy it at bid, did they buy it at ask? So if they bought it at the ask price, then you know it's bullish, that was probably a buy. If they got it at the bid, then you know it was probably a sell. But because of the size of these orders, you sort of get a spread. So this was at the bid right here, so it looks like he did sell here. Whereas the 29, where's the other 2910? 4,000 right there. This one looked like it was more of a buy, but this was a bit of a spread right here. So we got to see. It's interesting. It's really interesting to watch things like this, guys. It's market context. It's the internals of what's going on in Microsoft right now. The large orders and stuff. 3,500. All right, we got a new gamer over here in the Microsoft channel. Alright, YouTube, I'm going to wrap it up there. I did want to stay open for like a few minutes after the auction market opened, see if it did bring any volatility. It didn't really do too much. It normally doesn't. I do appreciate you all for tuning in today. Make sure tomorrow is Wednesday, so we'll be on tomorrow too. I did mention earlier that we're going to be doing Monday, Wednesday, Friday for free on YouTube, where Tuesday, Thursday is more towards our paying members. So of course, if you guys want to join, please feel free. We're a great community. We have a website full of courses as well. We have a lot to offer, guys. We're not like some BS alert Discord. We teach you guys how to read the market and how to trade here. It's really great. All right, with that being said, appreciate you guys, YouTube. Hit that like button. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.